Hello student, today we will do example of exercise 5.2. Let's start. Example 3. Find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12. A 2 D 7 minus 2 5 N 10. Formula of A plus N minus 1 D 2 plus 10 minus 1 D is 5. 10 minus 1 9. 9 into 5. Answer is 47. Example number 4. Which term of AP 21, 18, 15 is minus 81? First, we will do sum up to here. A 21, D 18 minus 21 makes minus 3. AN minus 81. Apply formula. AN minus 81, A 21, N minus 1, D is minus 3. Solving. Minus 102 divided by minus 3 equals to N minus 1. So N is 34 plus 1, 35. Its 35th term is minus 81. Then also, is any term is 0? Here AN is 0. Apply formula. A is 21, N minus 1, D is minus 3. Solving. Minus 21, minus 3 goes to in denominator. Cancel. 3 7 are 21. N is 8. Its 8th term is 0. Example number 5. Determine the AP whose 3rd term is 5 and 7th term is 9. 3rd term A plus 3, A3 is equals to 5. 7th term A7 equals to 9. We can write it as A plus 2D, A7, A plus 6D. Solve it by using elimination method. D is 1. Put D in equation number 1. Simple and easy solving. We have A equals to 3 to find AP. So we will find A1, A2, A3, A4. A is same. A2, A plus D. 3 plus 1 makes 4. A3, A plus 2D. 3 plus 2 into 1 makes 5. A4, A plus 3D. 3 plus 3 into 1 makes 6. Hence, AP is 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on is the answer. Next is example number 6. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of number 5, 11, 17, 23. We know that n comes always a whole number. Now we will check. Let me take AN 301. A is 5. D is 11. Minus 5, 6. Apply formula. AN 301, A 5, N minus 1, D is 6. Minus 5 come to left hand side, becomes negative. Subtract now. We have 296. Divided by 6 equals to N minus 1. Cancel. By 2. 148 by 3 plus 1 equals to N. We have N is equals to 151 by 3. That's why minus 3. That's why 301 is no term of that AP. Next is example number 7. How many two-digit number are divisible by 3? Two digits number are start from 10 up to 99. But we know that 10 is not divisible by 3. So, two digits number divisible by 3. These are 12, 15 after 10. 12, 15, last is 99. So, A, 12, D3, AN, 99. Apply formula. A is 12, N minus 1, D is 3, AN 99. Solving, 12 comes to left hand side. Same. Subtract 87 by 3 equals to N minus 1. Cancel. N is 29 plus 1 makes 30. There are total 30 numbers of two digits which are divisible by 3. Next, example number 8. Find the 11th term from the last of the AP. Here A is 10, D 7 minus 10 minus 3, AN minus 62. 11th term from last. Right here, from last, then AP. In AP, A is minus 62. D, change the sign, becomes of positive 3. Now A11, A plus 10D, 10 into 3, 30. After solving, we have minus 32, which is 11th term from the last. Next, example number 9. A sum of rupees 100 at simple interest 8%. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interest form an AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years. Principal 1000, rate 8%, time 1 year. Simple interest formula P into R into time by 100. Putting, we have rupees 80 interest for 1 year. Now simple interest for second year, 1000 into 8 times 2 by 100 makes rupees 160. Simple interest third year, time is 3, we have rupees 240. See, terms are 80, 160, 240. Here common difference is 80. So the situation form AP. If interest is in AP, then we have to find the interest at the end of 30 year. So we have to find A 30, A plus 29D. A is 80, D is also 80. Solving. After multiplication, we have 2320. Adding interest is rupees 2400 is your answer. Student, listen carefully. Simple interest always form AP and compound interest always form GP, geometric progression, which we do in class 11th. Example number 10. In a flower bed, there are 23 roses planted in first row, 21 in second, 19 in third, and so on. AP is 23, 21, 19, and so on. 5 rose plants in last row. So AN is 5. How many rows? We have to find N. And there are there in the flower bed. A is 23. D is 21 minus 23 becomes minus 2. Apply formula. AN 5, A 23, N minus 1, D is minus 2. Solving. 23 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आएगा. Subtract minus 18 by minus 2. So N is 9 plus 1 makes 10 is answer. Thank you.